something. 12 of them for 1 year. 1 year exactly. 1 year and 2 days. No, 1 year and 1 day. We starting on the next year. First year was rough. Let's see how the second year go. Better get better. I'm a Jeffrey Dahmer, your ass. Put you in the freezer. Man, y'all think I can swim all the way out there? I think I can swim all the way out there. Baby, how long you think it took me to swim all the way out there and come back? Huh? Say what? I gotta buy some more of these, huh? These are hard, ain't it? What? These matching joints? They okay? You fuck with it? Not really? You fuck with it? I wanna put my camera in the water to see if it's gonna record, but I know it is because this GoPro is waterproof. I wish I had my case still though. I'm scared. Oh, what's that? Come here. Oh, I don't know what that was, baby.
Bring your ass back up here.
It wasn't no stingray or nothing. Where'd it go? I think it was a little bitty turtle or something. It wasn't no fish. I hope y'all caught that. Damn, that's a big ass seagull. That motherfucker big, baby, look. Damn, what was, I think it was a turtle. It was pretty though. It had a lot of colors on it. It was like brown and white and some other shit. Like once I teach you how to swim, and we can like go snorkeling and shit, like we can see all this shit. That's my next goal. To teach you how to swim. Am I still as attractive as I was when you see me all them years ago with my locks? When you first seen me? I ain't. Damn. Damn. Hey, but some worked. She married me. Some worked. I don't know what it was. So what worked?
Your life changes. Your mental changes.
Oh, the attractiveness is not there, but the mental is. You told the truth.
No, you're still attractive. Don't get me wrong. You're still attractive. But when you first see something bad, I feel like when you're young, how you think about sex?
You nasty. You is nasty. You see, you don't think about sex? Huh.
You nasty.
I be thinking about sex. I be want to do what Steve Urkel you say, the horizontal poker. Nah, we just out here, man. Hey, we just out here capturing memories, man. Like, so much shit going on there. That ain't worth capturing, man. Like, it's always bad. You know what I'm saying? So, and like with marriage, not even just with blacks. You know what I'm saying? With all types of marriage, man, there's always a stigma. You know what I'm saying? Like a bad shit. So I'm just trying to show y'all like something positive other than what bad, you know what I'm saying, other than bad that come with marriage and being in a relationship and all that right there, man. Like, there's more to it than that. Like it is, like people always tell me, man, it is what you make it. So know what I'm saying? I'm just, as being a man, because it really always, most of the time when you hear about somebody messing up, man, be the man. So I'm just trying to, you know what I'm saying, be an example for somebody, inspire somebody, you know what I'm saying? Somebody might be looking at my channel just thinking about getting married or, you know what I'm saying, whatever. Like, damn, I'm scared. Like, hey, bro, this is what you make it. What you make of it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna have y'all rough times as we have. You know what I'm saying? We always have rough times. But we always, you know what I'm saying, be like, hey, what's more important? Like I said, I've been divorced 76 times. I've been put out 37. I've been on child support too. I think she killed me and put me in the freezer 3.
Why you lying?
What else? What else?
You done push me and hit me upside my head.
Yeah, I pushed her, hit upside the head, I locked in the trunk. Real Memphis like. What else I do? I ain't never divorced her, I don't think. I kicked her out the car while we were going down the expressway. I think that's about it. But look where we at now.
Bitch about 700 times.
I don't remember. Damn, look at that big motherfucker. Y'all probably can't even see it. He's standing down there on the beach. Damn, I wish I could zoom in. I need my other camera. That ain't no seagull. That's a fucking crane. That's a crane. Ooh. That's a crane, y'all. I ain't never seen no crane before. I wonder how close can I get to it. I'm gonna try to get close to that motherfucker so y'all can see it. If he pick me up and take me out there, baby, you gotta chase it. Let me see if I can get close to the crane, y'all. Bait watch, bait. Let me see if I can get close to it. Can y'all see it now? Let's see something. We finna go get this motherfucker. My bird the same height as me. Baby! This bird is the same height as me. Damn. Don't fly away. I ain't finna bother you, brother. I promise I ain't coming no farther than this here. Damn, it's a big ass bird. Look, baby. I'm gonna knock your damn neck off you going by my wife now. Oh, that sunset hard. That sunset hard, baby, look. You hear me? Hey, Mr. Crane, sir. Look at that sunset, baby. Alright, y'all. The last night in Pensacola, man. Last night for the anniversary shenanigans. She got that shit on. Give him a spin around one time, bro. Give him a spin around one time. Hold up, wanna spin around? She gotta get all her shit together. I get y'all me though. Yeah. Hey, man, I'm digging this Florida life living, man. Yeah, shit. I ain't gotta wear a whole lot. I said, show them what you're working with. I said, show them what you're working with. No. Trying to show them what we're working with. Uh-oh. Oh, wait a minute. Bam, boom, boom. Talk to him. Talk to the camera. Do it. That's what they be saying, the famous designers and shit when they be at the fashion show.
Work it.
Own it. Okay, alright. Yeah, man. Last night I heard, man, we finna, I asked one of the locals what's like the best seafood spot. The baby said she wants some crab legs. Nah, they're right there. So he told me where to go. So I'm gonna shoot to this little spot. He said you can't miss it. Says a big red building, so you can't miss it. So I'm finna go see what's up. Let me activate my beard, get my beard together. And yeah, we finna go. Like I said, can we have some crab legs? Like, we got the fuck what you want. Stop asking me shit. We can have what you want. It's your anniversary. We can have what you want. Like, but it's your anniversary too. I got what I want. You, shit. Hell, I'm good. I always know the right thing to say, don't y'all? Crabs on the beach. Alright, we done made it back, man. I got crab trapped. Can y'all see that? I got crab trapped. Whew. Man, we get baby 2 crab combos. We got 1 combo. That John want enough, so we ain't got another one. And I gotta stop eating like this. I'm fucking around and have a pot belly or something. Shit. Yeah, man, we back, man. It's last night, so we finna just chill out. Probably ain't gonna vlog no more, man. Till in the morning when we leaving or whatever, so. Yeah. We had ourselves a blast. It's been fun. Happy anniversary to us. Yeah. Catch y'all, man, on the way back to the M. Yo. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. Unfortunately, this is the last day that we're in Florida. Where did the time go?
I'm drinking.
Yeah, man, we had a blast. I'm really just doing this vlog, let y'all know, man, everything cool. About to get up, I guess, go eat breakfast and come back and just chill. You know what I'm saying, for the rest of the time we're here. So, unless something like magnificent happens or just an extravagant whatever,
before 11 a.m.
I'll pick the camera up. But if not, I'll see y'all, man, when I get all the bags loaded up. And when we get back on the road, man, headed back to the M. So, yeah. Except before 11. Okay. I think I need to go and get the bag cart and put everything in the truck now. Yeah, so. Finna do that. And, yeah. Let y'all hit this view one more time. Florida has been real. Sun It's up there. But y'all look good. I can't even look over there. Sun's so bright. That boy down there with the metal tent. Look. And this old lady gonna find him something. Damn.